What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set up and connect your T500 smartwatch to your phone. In addition to that, I'm also going to be showing you how to perform certain tasks like being able to connect your WhatsApp, Facebook and other social media notifications, being able to make calls and receive calls, and even change the wallpaper and set the time on your T500 smartwatch. In this particular video I'll be guiding you on how to do all of that. Now the process of connecting your T500 smartwatch to your phone is quite simple. All you have to do first and foremost is to make sure that you have your Bluetooth and your service location turned on your phone. So whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone, make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on. And then you also want to make sure you have your service location or location turned on your phone as well. If your T500 smartwatch actually has the Bluetooth feature, you also want to make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your T500 smartwatch. In my case, there is no Bluetooth feature, but if yours actually has a Bluetooth feature, make sure you turn it on. You can just swipe below and you're going to find the Bluetooth feature, or just make sure you turn it on. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scan the QR code on your T500 smartwatch. You can literally see the QR code app over here. It should be one of the apps on the smartwatch, and in some cases you would actually find it on the settings of the smartwatch. So go ahead and get the camera of your phone, open it up, and then you just want to place it on the QR code. Open up the QR code and then just place it just like so, and automatically you should be able to find out the app that your own T500 smartwatch uses. As you can see, mine over here is the Fit Pro smartwatch. For some T500 smartwatches it can actually be different, but once you get to this page, what you just want to do, if you're using an iPhone, go ahead and click on the iOS App Store, or if you're using an Android phone, then click on the Google Play Store over here. Now this will actually redirect you to the Google Play Store for you to be able to download and install the Fit Pro smartwatch app into your phone. Now the setup process for this smartwatch app is quite simple. You just want to open it up directly from here, click on the agree button over here, and then give it permission to access your location as well. So click on why using this app, and once you get to this page, what you want to do is to click on the set button at the tab over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on bind devices to experience more feature, just like so. Give it permission to access your location, and as you can see, it is currently looking for smartwatches it can actually connect to. Mine is actually the Watch 8, so I'll go ahead and select the Watch 8 over here, and now it is trying to connect to my T500 smartwatch. You're also going to see a pairing pop-up that will come up, so click on got it, and also make sure once you see the pairing pop-up, you also pair both devices through Bluetooth as well. If you do not see the alert asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth, just go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and then make sure you try and pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. So go ahead and look for the Watch 8 or your own smartwatch over here. You can literally see mine. Just make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. Just click on pair. So we have now successfully connected our T500 smartwatch to our phone. Now to be able to perform certain tasks like being able to get your social media notifications like your WhatsApp from your phone to your T500 smartwatch, what you want to do is to come over to the message push option over here, select that, and then click on allow, and now you're going to see some list of social media over here. You want to go ahead and select the specific social media you want to be able to get messages and notifications to your T500 smartwatch. In my case, it is the WhatsApp. I'll just go ahead and select WhatsApp, click on open, and now from this list of apps, locate the Fit Pro smartwatch app, and then just make sure you click on the allow notification access button over here. This is actually a little warning, so I will just go ahead and skip it. Now you want to go back to the Fit Pro smartwatch app and then just enable WhatsApp now. Once this is turned on, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your T500 smartwatch. You can go ahead and do the same thing for any other social media from over here to get your notification and messages as well. To be able to change the wallpaper or set a custom wallpaper or watch face for your T500 smartwatch, what you want to do is to just go ahead and click on the watch dial option. So you can literally see the dial settings over here. Select that. Once it loads, you just want to go ahead and select any watch dial from over here. I will select this one, then click on the change dial, then give it permission to access your phone's gallery. So I'll go ahead and click on the allow all over here, and now from all of the pictures over here, I'll just go ahead and select the picture I want to use as my watch face for my T500. Take for instance, I want to use this one, so I'll select it and then just go ahead and crop it whichever way I want, just like so. Then click on the check button over here and click on synchronize dial, click on it again, and then click on got it. And once it is completed, your T500 is going to restart itself and now come with the exact wallpaper or watch face I have just set on the smartwatch app. Also, on your T500 smartwatch, if you want to set the time and date of the smartwatch, you want to press on this button over here, press on it to go over to the menu, and then you want to go ahead and click on the more or settings option over here. Just go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to see the set date. Select that, and then you should be able to set the date from over here on your T500 smartwatch. If you want to be able to set the time, you can also just go ahead and click on set time. You can literally see that over here, and then also set the time on the smartwatch as well. If you want to be able to make and receive calls from your T500 smartwatch, what you want to do is to just swipe up just like so, and then go ahead and click on the call icon over here, enter the number you want. But before you can actually make calls, you also want to make sure you select the Bluetooth calling feature, and then make sure it is not turned off. You can just set it to portable or intelligent mode. Then also make sure you come over here, enter the number you want to enter, and then once you call it over here, the number will also be called on your phone as well. Finally, if you want to be able to set alarms, you can actually do that from the smartwatch app over here. So there is the option to set alarm directly from here. You can set any alarm you want. Also, you can actually just come over here, and if you misplace your T500 smartwatch, you can actually just press on the find button over here, and automatically your T500 smartwatch will start to make a noise, enabling you to be able to find it wherever it is. That is how to connect and set up your T500 smartwatch with phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips.